This is a 47-year-old Singaporean who came to GLOJAS clinic to do a smart FUA technique. He was not happy with the result of the hair transplant done in the year of 2015 in another clinic. The goal here today, as the patient requested, to increase density at the right side of his partition and reinforcement of the hairline.
I have a hair transplant about many years back, and the result wasn't impressive. I'm disappointed and I was depressed and I lost my confidence. So I've been searching online and I've watched so many doctors' testimonials, and I finally found Dr. Jas and his clinic GLOJAS. They have many testimonials, impressive and great results. I was confident that this is the one. And since then, I've been contacting them and I booked my appointment, and today I'm here. The experience was great. Dato was impressive. His skills were remarkable. I feel almost painless, and the experience is very comfortable. The place is conducive. I'm very relaxed. I must thank GLOJAS for their great service and their great professionalism. I would definitely recommend my friends, and I will definitely come back for more.